Hello and welcome. In healthcare software development, keeping systems up to date is essential. But with strict regulations like HIPAA, every change to your application needs to be carefully reviewed to avoid compliance issues. The problem is that it's often hard to tell how a single update might affect other parts of your system. A change to access control, for example, could unintentionally disrupt audit logs or reporting tools. Without clear insight, teams might miss something important and risk falling out of compliance. However, Copilot for DevOps AI helps solve this by showing you exactly how a change might impact related work items. The impact assessment feature gives you a clear view of what needs attention before the change goes live. Let's walk through how it works. We begin inside Azure DevOps with a feature work item titled Update Patient Data Access Module for HIPAA Role-Based Restrictions. Let's say we're modifying this feature to enhance access control to support HIPAA-compliant role-based permissions.
Next, we will open Copilot for DevOps.
Click on the Impact Assessment tile. There are two ways to run an analysis. We'll start with the Change Explanation method. On the right side, we add the work item, Update Patient Data Access Module for HIPAA Role-Based Restrictions. This task involves updating access rules so that only the right roles, like doctors, nurses, can view or edit patient records. On the left, we type a short explanation of the change. Then we click Perform Analysis. Copilot for DevOps scans for related work items and returns a detailed report. It shows the titles of affected items, the level of impact, and a clear explanation of how each one is connected. It also suggests follow-up actions to manage the changes. We can expand the analysis to view related items that might also be affected. This helps teams avoid missing dependencies that could create future problems. If needed, the report can be exported as a Word or PDF file for documentation or audits. Next, you can also try the second approach, where we can select work item on the left in which we need to make changes. On the right-hand side, we can select work items on which we need to perform impact analysis. This kind of impact analysis gives healthcare teams the clarity they need to manage updates with confidence. It helps ensure that compliance isn't disrupted and that nothing gets overlooked during development. To make your compliance reviews faster and more reliable, start using Copilot for DevOps inside Azure DevOps today.